knew I'd get him sooner or later.
Give him to me. Give him to me. Might still be time.
Please, John. Help him.
What'd you do?
I hit the mouse.